What's up guys, so today we're going to be switching the wheel studs on my brother's car. I'll be showing you how to do it because his wheel studs, these wheel studs are on his, you can see his wheel studs are pretty bad. Some of them broke off, so we're going to be switching all of them just in case for this car. We might be getting new wheels as well, so might be good. What you want to do first is lift the car up with the jack, put the jack stand. Lift the car with the jack, put the jack stand. And check right there. Then before you lift it up, make sure you take the lug nuts out, or at least get them loose before you pick it up, so you won't have any trouble once it's up in there, both sides. And I'll teach. After you're done with that, take the wheel out, and we'll take the wheel out and we'll get back to it. Take the wheel out. I'll be showing you how to take the lug nuts out.
And ahí, ¿verdad?
Alright guys, you end up getting the wheels. What do you guys think? Does it go with it? Black everything now. Start blacking everything out, Randy. We're just finishing putting the back ones. The last part of two more?
Este part.
That one. We got the other tire here. Oof. We're about to finish those back ones. Then he's gonna go take those two discs on tire to change them up. Well, I'll take everything out. He's gonna start doing that. And yep, keep you guys updated. Alright guys, for the jack stands and the jack, you want to put in the frame right there for the front of the car, and the back I think I already showed you where, but make sure you put it in front right there. Lift it, but you need to, if your car's lowered, so get wood size of your tires, put it inside, because if your car's lowered, your jacket won't get up there. Make sure you do that. Get a little plywood, or not plywood, but 1x6, like 2x6 like this. Alright guys, I did this side but I forgot to tell you how to do it. So on both front and back, there's this bolt, and where's the other one? There's two bolts here, this one and this one. This one right here and this one right here. You take both those out and this comes out. After you're done with that, there's two more bolts. This one, the one under it, which is the bigger ones. This one right here. And the whole thing should come out with the brakes. After that, you just take this disc out, and everything come out. You just hammer this. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how, once you put the new ones in, take them out and put the new ones in, what you want to do is get these, I don't know what they're called, but they sell them like O'Reilly, and get the old lug nut, but make sure the inside is good, and you just twist it straight forward. If it starts feeling hard or something, then take it out and put a new one. Well, you do this all the way so it's tight, and you get and you tighten it up, and this, once you tighten it up, it starts pulling this forward so it can be good. So let's see, let me try to show you. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you at an angle. Alright, so it's this one. See how space it has? So you just do the normal, you tighten it up. See how it's keep going in a little bit. make sure you press the brake or put the e-brake up so this won't move. But since my brother's e-brake doesn't work, so I'm by myself, then I'm just doing it by hand. And your power tool will probably be better as well. Do this until it's like there's a little bit of space, or no space, because once you put the wheel on, the wheel will make it tighter. I'll get back to you once it's done. Guys, after you've done it correctly, get this and just put everything back on. Push it all the way in. Get the brakes. Put it back. Okay, once you put this back, just put the screws. Just put this back, just put the screws back in right there. And right there, this big one. Make sure it's good. These tighten them. These go back on, which is right here. I put it to the side, came off. Just put the screws back in. Should be pretty easy. What you want to do is line these up. Line these up. Put one just a little bit so it won't move. And you find the bottom one, line it up as well. See, this one came right off. Alright, after you've done this, you're basically done. After you tighten these up, you're basically done. Just put the wheel back, make sure you go across from each other like this pattern, and tighten them up from a little pattern like that, across from each other. Every time you cross, pattern. So they would tighten up. So once we're done with both wheels, we'll get back to y'all. Yeah. You're trying to replace you're trying to replace these like we did on the back, but I don't think we're gonna have to replace this. So my brother just went to get the tire and wheel, so we can just install it back. But I'll get back to y'all when he brings it and we install everything. But what do you guys think? Should we block out the GT badge, side louvers, wing, black out tail lights, black out everything? Or what do you guys think? What I suggest? Comment down below what do you think. I think they look pretty nice. What do you think? The old ones look better or the new ones? These are the old ones, the cookies. Brake weld, which is the new ones. What do you think? I think they look nice. We'll see. I'll get back to you when everything's done. Alright guys, we just installed them. We're all done. Look pretty good. We just need to clean the tires. They're like dirty. I don't even can hear me, but they're dirty. We just need to clean them. And we're done. Pretty easy install. Takes about probably the whole day. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Go like the like button, and peace.